Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to start lesson number 10 articles. In English, there are three articles a, an, and the. We use a or an when we don't specify the things or people we are talking about. A or an only work with singular nouns. Article the works with both singular as well as plural nouns. We use a in front of consonants as well as consonant sounds like a donkey, a tree, a monkey, a university, a uniform. So as you can see, the first letter of the words donkey, tree and monkey are consonants. So we are writing A in front of these words. Now next two words university and uniform are beginning with the letter U. And we know U is a vowel. But the sound that is coming is of a consonant. So we are writing A in front of these two words. A university, a uniform. We use an article in front of any noun that starts with a vowel or vowel sounds. For example, an elephant, an aeroplane, an hour, an honor. First two words elephant and aeroplane are beginning with vowels. We all know A and E are vowels. So we are writing an in front of these two words. Now next two words are and honor. The words are beginning with consonants, but still we are writing an because the sound that is coming is of a vowel. So we are writing an R and an honor. The is used in front of a noun when we believe the listener or reader knows exactly what we are talking about. It works with both singular as well as plural nouns. For example, where is the teacher? The book is on the table. The above examples are talking about specific thing or person. Here in the first sentence, we want to know about where the particular teacher is. In the next example, you can see we are talking about the specific book. Now let us have a look on types of articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles and definite article. Indefinite articles refer to non-specific nouns. You might say, I need a pen or I want an orange. In both cases, you aren't referring to a specific pen or orange. It means you can accept any pen or orange. Now definite article. It refers to a specific noun. If you are saying, I want the orange, here you are talking about the specific orange you want to eat. Next example, I don't want to go to the party. Here we are talking about a particular party. Clear? But there are a few exceptions in using a before words that start with consonants and an before words that begin with vowels. For example, an hour. The first letter of the word R is a consonant. H is a consonant. But it is unpronounced. In spite of its spelling, the word R begins with a vowel sound. Therefore, we use an article in front of the word are. In the words university and uniform, though the first letter is a vowel, but they sound like a consonant. So we are writing A in front of these words. A university, A uniform. Now let us start exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with A or an. I have an umbrella which is red in color. U is a vowel, so we are writing an in front of the word umbrella. An umbrella. She studies at a university. University. U is a vowel, but the sound which is coming is of a consonant. So we are writing a university. Hina bought a pair of bangles. A pair. P is a consonant, so we are writing A in front of pair. Hina bought a pair of bangles. Geeta lives in an apartment. Apartment. A is a vowel, we know. So we are writing an in front of the word apartment. Would you like a piece of cake? A piece. P is a vowel. P is a consonant. So we are writing A in front of piece word. It has been an hour since you came. R. We know H is a consonant, but the sound which is coming is of a vowel. So we are writing an R. Harry is an honest boy. An honest. H is a consonant, but the sound which is coming is of a vowel. So we are writing an honest boy. Will you have an omelette? We know O is a vowel. So we are writing an omelette. In this way, we have completed our exercise number 1. Rest of the exercises we will do in our next class. Do this exercise in your grammar book. Thank you.